Did you know a single night turned an entire city into a man-made hell on Earth? February 13th, 1945. Dresden was considered the safest city in Germany. Margot Hillo was enjoying a quiet evening when air raid sirens suddenly wailed. British bombers dropped marker flares, turning night into day. Then came the firestorm. Temperatures reached 1,000 degrees Celsius. The inferno consumed oxygen so fast it created hurricane winds that pulled people into the flames. Margot ran through streets where asphalt melted like rivers. People suffocated in basements as oxygen vanished. Others burst into flames from pure heat. Bodies melted into the pavement itself. 25,000 civilians died in one night. The cultural city had no military targets, just innocent people trapped in artificial hell.